In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook inbox. Keeping your inbox up to date ensures you see the latest messages as soon as they arrive, and these quick techniques work great when your mail seems stuck or slow to appear. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. Make sure you're opening the desktop application rather than a browser tab, since the controls we'll use live inside the app's ribbon. It also helps to confirm you have a stable internet connection, so Outlook can talk to your mail server without interruption. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Enter your credentials, and if prompted, complete any verification steps. Once you're in, give Outlook a moment to connect. You'll usually see a brief status message at the bottom as it updates folders. A fast, reliable way to refresh everything at once is to press the F9 key on your keyboard. This triggers a manual send and receive for all folders and all configured accounts, forcing Outlook to sync immediately. Watch the status bar at the bottom of the window for progress indicators like syncing, updating folders, or downloading messages. When it finishes, your inbox should reflect the newest emails available on the server. If you prefer using the ribbon, go to the View tab at the top of Outlook and select Sync. This option instructs Outlook to update your current view and fetch the latest data. It's especially handy if you're already working in the interface and want a refresh without using the keyboard. After you select Sync, give it a moment to complete. Again, the status bar will show what Outlook is doing behind the scenes. Finally, if your messages still don't appear or the list looks stale, switch to a different folder and then come back to your inbox. Clicking Sent Items and then returning to Inbox can nudge the app to redraw the message list and show any newly downloaded emails. This is a visual refresh that pairs well with the sync steps you just performed. That's all you need. Open Outlook. Sign in if required. Press F9 for an immediate sync. Use the View tab's Sync command when you want a refresh from the ribbon. And, if needed, hop to another folder and back to Inbox to force the view to update. These simple actions resolve most cases where new messages aren't showing up right away. If things still look off, give it a minute and try syncing again, as mail servers or network connections can cause brief delays. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Outlook inbox current and responsive.